This is Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Monday, May 8th. Juneau, Alaska is gearing up for its biggest cruise season ever. Last year, 1.15 million cruise passengers visit the city. And this year, they're gearing up for 1.5 million. The last full Alaska season prior to the cruise industry shutdown saw only 1.3 million guests arrive in Juneau. To help with overcrowding, starting in 2024, the city will begin limiting the number of cruise ships that can dock in Juneau to 5 per day. An American Cruise Line celebrated the christenings of 2 riverboats on opposite sides of the country last week. American Serenade was christened in Vidalia, Louisiana on the Mississippi River, while American Jazz was christened on the Snake River in Clarkson, Washington. The American riverboats accommodate 180 guests each and feature the largest staterooms on any riverboat in the world. Bold claim there. The vessels were built at Chesapeake Shipbuilding in Maryland, with 4 additional ships that are currently under construction there, 2 of them which will debut later this year. And a case of mistaken identity. This is a crazy story. Armed security guards on a luxury yacht opened fire on the Yemeni Coast Guard late last month after mistaking the Coast Guard for pirates. Yes, pirates. The super yacht, which was previously owned by actors Richard Burton and Elizabeth Taylor, was on a leisurely sail when the incident happened in the Gulf of Aden. The Coast Guard approached the vessel because it hadn't been responding to radio calls, and it got a little too close to the super yacht when the crew opened fire. The Coast Guard returned fire and chased the yachts for about an hour until the misunderstanding could be resolved. And cruise line stocks were up on Friday. Carnival Corporation up 6.6%, 10.01. Royal Caribbean up 5.2%, 75.65. And Norwegian up 2.8%, 14.14. Breaking news and industry coverage at cruiseradio.net. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today.
Cruise News Today is a production of Cruise Radio. Behind-the-scenes content and extras are now available at patreon.com/cruiseradio.